Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to download and install Oracle Data Integrator 12c. So you have to follow these steps. So the first step is done and dusted. Install the JDK. We have already installed the JDK in my system. Okay. Second step is download Oracle Data Integrator 12c. So this is my third step, 4, 5th, 6th and 7th. Okay, so the second step is download the Oracle Data Integrator 12c. So I'm going to open the Google. Here in the search bar I will write download Oracle Data Integrator 12c. Okay, Oracle Data Integrator download. So I will click to this link. Okay, so this is the latest version of Oracle Data Integrator. So in my system, I have this version. So if you want, you can download this version. So in my system, I have this version. So let me just show you this Oracle Data Integrator 12c. Okay, so I have already downloaded this version. eDirectory downloads ODI installation. Okay, so it has two files, these two files, disk 1. In disk 1 I have two files. This is disk 1. Okay, in disk 2 I have only one file. Okay, so if you want, you can download this version, the latest version. So I'm not going to download this version since I already have it. So now next step is open the command prompt as administrator. So search command prompt, run as administrator. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to open ODI installation. Okay, these two files. So next step is copy the disk 2 file into disk 1 folder. Okay, in disk 2, look, this disk 2 I have only one file. Just copy this and paste here. Okay, so now I'm going to have three files. Now I have already copied this here in the E directory. So look, so this is my folder, complete folder, in which I have all these files. Look, ODI.jar file, this is the disk 1 file, these two are disk 1 files. Okay, this one is disk 2 file. So I have complete files in my folder. Now open the environment variable and check java_home directory. Okay, now here in the search bar I will search environment, edit the system environment variable, environment variables. Okay, here I will search java_home. So this is the directory where my JDK is present, in this particular directory. Just copy this. Let me just show you the JDK. So look, this is the directory of JDK. Okay, now what I'm going to do, okay, go to the JDK path from the command prompt, cd, then the path. So this is the path of my JDK, enter. So first I have to go to D directory. Okay, cd. Okay, now look, so this is the path. So now go to the path of JDK. Now execute the command java.jar, then the path of file. So the path of file is, let me just show you the path of file, E directory here. Look, so this, the first one, ODI.jar. So first I will write java.jar, then the path. So you have to click this, then press shift button, then press the right click. Okay, copy as path. Okay, so you have to just paste the path here. Okay, now remove this. press enter. Extracting the installer. So this may take few minutes to open up the installer window. So now you have to click the next button. Okay, auto update, skip these updates, click next. So installation location. So I don't want to install in my C directory. I will change this. So I will install in my E directory. So now let me just give the path here, E directory. Let's make a folder here, Oracle 12c. Just copy the path, place the path here. Okay, Oracle 12c. Okay, so this is the path where this Oracle Data Integrator 12c is going to install. Okay, click next. Okay, standalone installation and the enterprise installation. I will select the enterprise installation. So look, with enterprise installation I will get these components. So I'm not explaining the difference between standalone and enterprise installation. Just follow the steps. Okay, click next. Prerequisite checks. Okay, click next. Installation. Okay, summary install. So the installation process is started. So the installation process is 100% completed. Look, all tick marks. Okay, so now I will click next button. Click next button here. Okay, installation complete. Okay, click finish. So now let me just show you the folder where the Oracle 12c Oracle Data Integrator 12c is installed. Oracle 12c. So this is the folder where I have installed Oracle Data Integrator 12c. Now I'm going to open the ODI Studio. ODI Studio. Click to this ODI Studio. ODI Studio. So look,